Howdy guys, Cars by Jimino, also known as SCB here. Welcome back to another unboxing video, and this one is very special because I just got some fan mail here from Southern Diecast Challenge. Yep, I finally got the package from Southern Diecast Challenge. He sent me this one all the way from South Carolina. And so I want to give him a big shout out for delivering and this package to me. Okay? And we're gonna be unboxing this box and see what car he sent to me. Right now it's time to unbox it and get a closer look at it. Now we're using this fucking knife right here, just like it's to get the tape out. So let's go get this taken care of. Okay, I got one side now. Now I need to just get the other side. Alright, I got that. Now let's see how I really I think that's probably that. Yeah, I'm gonna get this out of the way so I won't injure myself. You guys know if a bad thing will happen, if I cut myself. I'm on that. Learn how to rip out parts of the box. There we go. Now I pull it up. Now let me get the bubble wrap. You go, yeah? What's in? Yeah, what's in the bubble wrap? Oh, those cars. Alright, let me get them out of there first. Oh, look, I got a little meshes here. Huh? Put some other special things. And they're over in here as well. Before we take a look at the cars in here. So let's take a look at them first before we take care of the rest. Yeah, this is his business card right here. Southern Diecast Challenge, YouTube and Facebook, collecting and racing. And look at this. One of the cars here is actually one of the cars that I do have. I mean, look at that. And Xenos 34 Model A in there as well. It's the same Liberty. Yeah, I got two of these. Hey, amazing. And now next. It said, hello. It's so great that you remember these kind of cars. From our childhood, I raced all two decent runners in great condition. Our army is one of them in a way that we share across the states and enjoy each other's content. Sending Pete, East and L to you and your family. Oh, now that I and Jason Mix. I'm gonna get these out of the way. Now we're gonna take a look at the cars. Alright, we're gonna start with this one here. This is I've never seen before. I never knew. This car even existed. What is this anyway? Let's take a look. I saw Renapod. I'm not sure exactly what this vehicle is. I'll use Google Lens to help me out on that one. Figure out what it is. Exactly, because I've never seen this one before. First time I've ever seen something like this. But let's look around this one. And there's a lot of red and yellow all over this one. And there's over 6 wheels on this one. I never seen anything like it before. Oh, look at this. This casting has a license plate on it. And it says Nebraska right on it. Never seen that before. There's 2 exhausts right here. A big engine in the rear. And look at the interior of this one. It's different than what I know I see. Yeah. So there's some big 2 seats inside this one. This part it was the strangest 6-wheel cars I ever seen in person. And it has some good weight in there too. So I believe it's probably a fast car. Now I'm gonna get the other one out of there. It's actually stored in here. Plastic bag. Oh, this one has a good weight. This one has some good weight in it too. I need to figure out what it is. About the same company. But I had no idea what car is this one. I'll use Google Lens to help me out on this one. And hopefully I'll figure out what they are. Me never look around. Hadn't seen a set of wheels like the first one. I love the color on this one. A lot of blue in there. Turquoise, white, purple, light green, even yellows on this one. And look at it. The number 8 is like pretty on. Yeah. And this one is an open top vehicle. So that I can see the interior in this one. Totally different here. Oh, this one also has a on it too. And it says Mexican on it. It even has taillights on it. You don't see that every day. And that is totally different. And for the 1980s cars. Well, what do you guys think of these 2? Well, I'm gonna get the note and the other things together on this one. And so I can wrap up the video. Over here. Alright, that's it, you guys. So, what do you guys think of these 2 new cars I just got today? I have this video coming up for these 2. Oh yeah, you guys want to see his channel? I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can see his channel. And because he does a lot of Diecast related videos. Alright, you guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Next video coming up next. See you guys in that one. Later, everyone. Bye.